Now, one good example of community communication is the use of community radio station in a rural village. Now, the radio station serves as a platform for the local community to share. Um, they can share information, discuss important topics, and promote local culture. Another good example is the theater group in an urban neighborhood. Now, the theater group can perform plays and skits that address social issues and concerns relevant to the local community. Let's then move on to the communication for technology transfer in agriculture, or CTTA in short. Now, this model is a comprehensive approach developed by the Academy for Educational Development with funding from the United States Agency for International Development. Now, it aims to effectively communicate and transfer agricultural technologies to farmers through a participatory, integrative, and practical process. There are five stages. The CTTA model consists of five stages, which are assessment or the development investigation. We have the planning or the strategy development, and the materials preparation and message delivery, implementation, and evaluation. But as time passes by, these steps were further broken down into nine specific steps. So we actually have investigation, we have strategies, testing, and so on. Basically, the CTTA model follows a systematic approach to transfer agricultural technologies to farmers. Now, first step, it involves assessing the needs of the farmers. Then, after assessing the needs of the farmers, you would then develop a communication strategy. After developing a communication strategy, you then create and test communication materials. And after doing so, you are now ready to deliver the materials to the farmers. And after this, you can now start evaluating the effectiveness of the process. So basically, that's the whole or the summary of the CTTA. Now let's move on to my last topic or the last domain or approach. We have community organizing. So, community organizing is a problem-solving approach that empowers a community by providing them with the knowledge and skills to identify and prioritize their needs and problems. Now, community uses its resources to address these issues and takes a collective action. A community organizer also plays a crucial role in facilitating this process. So, community organizing, as explained by Father Francis Lucas, proceeds in three stages with a total of 14 steps. So, here is a simplified and elaborated breakdown of each stage and its respective steps. So, we have the first stage, the awakening stage. First step is the area selection. So this steps involves identifying the specific community or area where the community organizing process will take place. And then after selecting the area, you would then do the entry into the community, sorry. So the organizers should establish relationship with the community members. Next, you have to do the social investigation or community study. So you have to have a comprehensive study of the members of the community, understanding their social, economic, and cultural dynamics. Then we have the contact building and spotting of potential leaders. Now, organizers should build further relationships with the individuals within the community who have the potential to become leaders. After this, you can already create a core group. So the core group formation, a core group of committed individuals is formed from among the potential leaders identified. Now, this group will play a central role in driving the community organizing process. And then, after that, they then proceed to core training and mobilization. Now the group, this core group then undergoes training to enhance their skills in community organizing and leadership. Then they are then mobilized to engage and involve to a broader community. And after that, we have the formation of community organization. So, a formal community organization is established, which serves as a platform for collective action, decision making, and addressing community issues. Let's then proceed to the next stage. We have the empowerment stage. So, first, we have the program planning. The community organization, with the participation of the community members, should engage in planning the activities and the programs, and then in this way, they are able to identify the community issues and even the community goals. Next, we have the project planning. So you have to create, or the community organization must have to create a specific project or initiatives that are based on their priorities and the needs of the community. Next, we have the implementation. So the planned programs and projects are then carried out, involving the active participation of community members. Then we have the evaluation. So the impact, you have to assess the impact and the effectiveness of the implemented programs and projects. Then we have the restructuring. So based on the evaluation, you can already create adjustments or refinements in within the community organization. And we have the phase out. So, as the community organization becomes more self reliant and capable, the role of external organizers is gradually phased out. And the last one, of course, after we have done all the series of steps, we can then establish a new system of work relationship. Now, in communities where individuals tend to be passive recipients of change and encounter social changes, community organizing serves as a means to awaken their critical consciousness and foster their leadership abilities. Now, it is important that we should conduct studies or research, and the organizers in the community must also identify the root causes of their problems. And in this way, we can help generate um, effective and efficient decision making and action plans. Now, we have to take in mind that each community has its unique context, dynamics, and challenges. Therefore, we must adapt to their strategies and approaches to meet the needs of each community. So, that would be all. I hope you learned something from our lecture today. Thank you.